Everybody, it's too much David. It has been a while that I post actually, but I'm so glad that I have to share this one to you. But before I give you intel and much information about this new video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And you can also share this to friends, board, and many people to have enlightenment about it. You see, so once you have done that tax, actually it's not that much, so you can get right into the video. So you see, um, there are sometimes you might get a notification that your phone is lagging, your phone is hanging, your phone is slow, and there are many things like that that is disturbing your phone. So if your phone is slow, this is what really causes it. It is something that everybody have to know. If your phone is slow, this is what causes it. Like to mine, I am I did it and I've seen a positive result on my phone. So I wish to share it to everybody. So don't forget subscribe to the channel and you can on the notification button and I will show you much thing to do with your phone. I've posted more video on tutorials with making use of your phones and everything like that. So today, let's see what really accumulates space or spaces in our phone and make it fit. The file is very let me just say it's just a junk file. You know, when you eat a content, when you eat a content, that is when you buy maybe you buy biscuits. You know that the biscuit is the main thing there. Then the body is just what covers it. And once you eat it finish, you have to throw it away, right? You throw away that nylon. Now, the same thing with your phone. Your phone registers your daily use. That is, when you use your phone, anything you do with your phone, make call, watch videos, play games, mine applications, and many other things like that. So once you do that, those are the main content. Then now, as you are doing that, your phone keep record of those things that you are doing. So those record that your phone is hiding or keeping, they are the main things there that make your phone storage to be filled. Now let's go on. Let me show you how you can remove this file and how you can know the file. So my own, if I want to know the file, I make use of my file. See this my file. Let me use this arrow to show you. I make use of this. Look at these ones. This one, my file. That's what I'm using. If you don't have it, you can make use of the file manager. That one you can also find it. You can find that one in Play Store also. But for mine, I'm making use of this one, the file manager, like the file rather, in my own this one. So if you are mandatory to get the file, you are lucky. If you don't have it, go to Play Store, download file manager. So just click on my file. Actually, I'm already working on it, so I just say I should just share it to you. That's my file. So automatically, if you can search, this is my own search here. If you find search in your own file manager like that, you can do that. So click on search. Once you click on search, just type dot just type dot tmp. .tmp. Automatically, just look at this. It carries. Look at this. Let me show you the total file that this one contain. It contains 1843 junk file, and they have a lot of things that they are doing there. So it's not is nothing at all, and I do not need it. You can see some they have many speaks that they accumulate on the phone. Some is kilobytes, some is megabytes, and if you combine everything together, it adds huge space that are accumulating. Just look at this one. This one is accumulating just 2.27 megabytes. So this is one way, and these are file that you don't need in your phone. So what you just have to do, you have to some I don't know how you mark all your file, sha, but mine, if I want to mark on my file, I will hold on everything. I will hold on the file. Then you see there are space for me. I will just select all. Look at this up here, this up here, like this one, like mine. You just click on this, select all file, that box that just select all. So once select all, it said 1843 file selected, so I will just delete everything. Mine, I set it to for cycle bin. That is, I have to check my file after I deleted the cycle bin, and automatically all the files had been deleted. Now that you see, I've deleted everything, and we can see my file now is, yeah, you can see there's sufficient space now on my phone that I can use. Where now, apart from that, that dot tmp that is search, that that cost there's one again that cost it. Just look, use, if you want to search again, just click on dot t h u m b, the THUMB. You can make use of this one also. Mine, I've already worked on this. That's why I've deleted everything. .TUMB. That this one also, it has file that are not useful. They just take space in the phone like that, and it's not good. So this is something I've learned, and I'm using it for a very long time. And I've checked and checked. I said, what kind of video can I release that can make, even though we aren't having time to make use of our phone like that, we should just do something that will be very, very good to our own self. So this is one thing I bring out, and I hope with this explanation, I believe we have a befitting good phone to use, and there are many more tips to follow on. And please, the more you subscribe to this channel, the more you like the video and share to your friends, I will be greatly happy to share more videos such as this. And just know that everything we do got to be all right. Remember, this is Utsumosh David channel. I wish you all the best. One love. Peace.